From DIY mechanics to a professional, everyone holds a wish for a dream garage. And the dream garage demands some amazing tools to differentiate it from a regular workshop. So in today's video, we'll show you the top 7 useful car repairing tools that contain exceptional qualities to keep you ongoing. So without wasting more time, let's get started.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Make your dream garage more convenient with a scissor lift, the BendPak MDS-6LPF, a world-class performer in car lifting with the space-saving flush mount design. This lifter features 4 solid steel scissor frame support bars and dual master hydraulic and equalizing cylinders, letting you have a secure 6,000 pounds lifting power. Providing 3 locking positions, this scissor lift allows professionals and technicians to work at different heights that the installation or repairing task demands while spending minimal effort. Plus, you can do a fast vehicle setup with the 4 durable cushioned rubber contact blocks, and you'll get a maximum lifting height of 44 inches. Furthermore, each lifting platform comes with a powder coat finish, ensuring long-lasting durability for years to come. With a flush mount design, push-button safety lock, soil steel safety lock bars, and the rest of the advantageous systems, this BendPak MDS-6LPF will take your car maintenance experience beyond the straight line. Without properly tightening critical fasteners, the installations will remain blemished. Meet NORBAR PROTRONIC Plus, a high-precision electronic torque wrench that works with Bluetooth and a customized app for more intuitive control. This amazing tool has an English torque range between 3.6 and 73.7 foot-pounds with a metric range between 5 and 100 Newton-meter. Plus, it comes with 5 easily selectable torque units for precision results on different applications and can program up to 10 presets for time-saving steps. The large backlit LCD provides you with consistent and accurate torque readings, while the 4 alert modes give you an on-time response in every working condition. Moreover, it features the patent-pending built-in calibration factor for easy accommodation in tight spaces and allows you to have a secure grip with a comfortable handle design. So if you're looking for an ideal torque wrench that prioritizes accuracy and has numerous features, then this NORBAR PROTRONIC Plus will be a worthy deal indeed. Have you ever gotten annoyed by cars moving in tight spaces? Well, the Sunex wheel dolly has got your back to remove all the headaches with its sturdy and maintenance-free ratcheting design. This highly adjustable dolly opens up to 24 inches and perfectly accommodates a maximum of 12.8-inch wide tires, performing way better than the competitive hydraulic units. Made of sturdy steel materials, each wheel dolly offers 1,500 pounds of maximum loading capacity, making it capable of moving any SUV, truck, or passenger car. Plus, the oversized one-shaped diamond plate pedal protects you from stubbing your toes on the wheel when pumping, and the safety locking casters secure your vehicles when moving virtually. Also, it comes with outboard locking casters and complies with ASME 2014 standards, while the super convenient carrying handle allows easy transportation everywhere. In short, this Sunex wheel dolly provides all the capacities you need and all the facilities you desire for an easy and safe car moving experience in narrow spaces. Do simple and effective brake fluid testing with the Powerbuilt 647766, the most economical and easiest way to monitor the real-time condition of the braking systems of all the vehicles. This tester pen allows you to check the condition of .3, .4, or .5.1 brake fluid of your vehicles accurately in mere time. Plus, it features 5 LED indicator lights that help you get to know about the water content of your brake fluid so that you can change the fluid at an accurate time. Additionally, this testing pen packs with a AAA battery and cap that provides ultimate protection from dirt or damage between uses while it fits conveniently in your pocket. Meeting the tough European CE and RoHS standards, this universal brake fluid tester pen outshines itself as a great tool for shops and DIY mechanics. Handle uncountable installation and removal tasks with the Tiger Tool 10205, an automotive C-frame socket press ideal for various driveline and non-driveline related parts. You can use this socket press with a 1/4, 3/8, or 1/2-inch drive in any combination for approximately all cars, light-duty trucks, and farm machinery. Constructed of high-grade steel with a rigid C-frame, this socket press tool provides a standout capacity of 2.5 tons with strengthened durability. With hardened, self-lubricated steel components, this amazing tool prevents galling. Also, the flat anvils can be installed for general clamping or pressing. To get ultimate safety with high-end reliability from a socket press, this Tiger Tool 10205 will be a good choice for every professional car mechanic. Tire inflation is a task that every driver meets frequently. Now say hello to the AstroAI Portable Air Compressed Tire Inflator, a compact yet an effective inflating solution for all drivers who drive a long way regularly. This inflator can inflate the 195, 55, and R15 car tires between 0 to 35 pounds per square inch in just 5 minutes with 35 liters per minute. You can set your desired pressure unit for different tire inflation, and the air compressor will automatically shut off when it reaches the preset pressure. Thus, you'll get accurately inflated tires. Plus, the clear, bright LCD shows the precise results and lets you read even in the dark, while the one-click changing method allows you to easily change the pressure units among PSI, kPa, bar, and kg. Moreover, this tire inflator is packed with 3 nozzles and an extra fuse that lets you inflate any cars, SUVs, motorcycles, or bicycles. Also, this tire inflator can be used on balls, air pillows, cushions, balloons, and many more inflatables. So add this Astro air compressor to your garage tool list and experience the easier and more effective way of tire inflating. Bring more fun to your car cleaning with the chemical Guys ACC 326, a torque foam blaster car washer gun that adds easement to your car cleaning while providing a scratch-free way. This wash gun easily gets attached to any standard garden hose and provides an effective wash foam removal on the car's body to remove abrasive dirt particles gently and without any grindings. Plus, it adds slick car wash foam to the equation that reduces the risk of installing swirls and scratches on the smooth painted surfaces of your car. Furthermore, this foam gun combines the soapy water solution with running water before spraying the foam, meaning you can save your soap and water by simply turning the dial to adjust the ratio. In summary, this chemical Guys ACC 326 allows you to turn every car wash into a fun foam party and eliminates all the boring minutes of the regular car wash, making it a worthwhile car maintenance tool indeed. So that was the list for the 7 useful car repair tools just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.